Ever wondered where evolution began? Discover the Galapagos National Park, nature's laboratory and a UNESCO treasure. This volcanic archipelago, nearly 600 miles off Ecuador's coast, bursts with iconic wildlife and dramatic seascapes. Giant tortoises, marine iguanas, sea lions, and blue-footed boobies put on a show you won't forget. Charles Darwin once roamed these islands, sparking insights that changed our world. Immerse yourself in vibrant coral reefs, hike rugged volcanic trails, and snorkel alongside graceful sea turtles. Amid stunning natural beauty and cheeky wildlife, urban adventures meet ancient wonders. Conservation efforts keep this precious ecosystem thriving. Ready to step into history and nature's spotlight? Embark on your own voyage of discovery to the Galapagos Islands now. Experience breathtaking adventures and a taste of nature's playful charm, blending culture and wild spirit seamlessly.